You've explored the world through maps and textbooks, absorbing lessons taught for generations. But what if the very geography you believed in is fundamentally flawed? What if the facts you learned about our planet are often oversimplified, distorted, or even profoundly misleading? From the legendary heights of mountains to the vastness of deserts, the truths we learned can be inaccurate by hundreds, even thousands of miles. Even basic concepts, like the largest continent, the longest river, or the tallest mountain, are often wrong, depending on how you measure. Today, we explore the world to expose 10 geography facts you undoubtedly learned that are completely incorrect. These astonishing truths will reshape your worldview forever. Geography isn't just about memorization. It's understanding how Earth truly works, how landscapes evolve, how humanity misinterprets it. What you're about to see is factual, and it will challenge everything you thought you knew. This is the world unmasked. Fact number 1. Mount Everest. It has long stood as the undisputed tallest mountain, its summit piercing the sky at 8,848 meters above sea level. But this iconic measure tells only half the story. Hidden beneath the tranquil Pacific, Hawaii's Mauna Kea quietly asserts a different truth. Measured from its true, hidden base on the deep ocean floor, Mauna Kea soars to an astonishing 10,200 meters. This makes it unequivocally taller than Everest. Many textbooks ignore this submerged foundation. By including its massive, unseen bulk, Mauna Kea surpasses Everest by over 1,300 meters. True scale, it seems, often lies hidden beneath the surface. Fact number 2. Rivers. For millennia, the Nile has been celebrated as the longest river, stretching over 6,650 kilometers across Africa. Yet even this champion faces a challenger. Recent satellite measurements suggest that the Amazon, that South American titan, may actually be slightly longer if all its winding tributaries are fully accounted for. Rivers are not static. They shift, meander, and form new channels, making precise measurement incredibly complex. The Nile flows through arid plains, which is a miracle in the desert. The Amazon, in stark contrast, carves through the densest rainforests, carrying more water than any other river. Which is longest depends entirely on how you measure it. It's a complete hydrological enigma. Fact number 3. Africa. Now, confront a colossal misconception perpetuated by classroom maps for centuries. The perceived size of Africa. Mercator projection maps distort by exaggerating areas near the poles and shrinking those closer to the equator. This cartographic trick makes Africa appear tiny. In reality, Africa is so huge that you could fit the entire United States, China, India, Japan, and most of Europe inside its borders, with room to spare. Africa spans over an incredible 30 million square kilometers with unparalleled diversity. Its staggering magnitude forces us to reshape how we truly see the world. Fact number 4. Greenland. That icy behemoth looms impossibly large on most maps, sometimes appearing almost as vast as Africa. The startling truth? Greenland is, in fact, approximately 14 times smaller than Africa. Again, pervasive map projections distort polar regions. Unveiling its real, more modest scale corrects our flawed perceptions. Fact number 5. Our continents. Our planet is a living, breathing entity undergoing constant, monumental transformation. Continents aren't fixed anchors. They're colossal rafts adrift. Australia, for instance, inches northward at about 7 centimeters per year. Over millions of years, these relentless tectonic movements perpetually reshape continents and oceans, ceaselessly altering the planet's geography. It's a slow-motion drama on a planetary stage. Prepare yourself for fact number 6, Zealandia. Beneath the waves of the South Pacific lies a hidden lost world. Did you know there's an entirely submerged continent named Zealandia, with only New Zealand peeking above the surface? Zealandia is a colossal landmass, comparable in size to India, resting beneath thousands of feet of ocean. Its existence reminds us that not all continents are all above sea level. Some of Earth's greatest secrets are kept locked away, deep within the ocean's embrace. Fact number 7. The equator. Popular imagination paints the equator as Earth's hottest place, a perpetual oven. Yet, this is often inaccurate. While equatorial regions are intensely hot, some vast inland deserts, far from the equator, regularly exceed these temperatures. Factors like climate, altitude, and geographic features all conspire to redistribute heat globally, shattering the simplistic notion of a uniformly scorching equatorial band. Fact number 8. The Sahara Desert. When picturing the Sahara, we conjure endless images of sand dunes. This romantic image, however, is largely a myth. The vast Sahara is composed of around 70% rocky plains, gravel fields, and mountain ranges. Only a small fraction, perhaps 20–30%, actually consists of those iconic sand dunes. Movies and older maps often exaggerate, contributing to a widespread misconception about one of Earth's most formidable and diverse ecosystems. Fact number 9. Our oceans. The very oceans defining our planet are engaged in a slow, relentless, monumental dance. The Pacific is subtly shrinking by centimeters each year as its tectonic plates converge. Meanwhile, the Atlantic is slowly expanding, pulling apart at its mid-ocean ridge. These profound movements, invisible day to day, are the engines of continental drift, dramatically altering our planet's face over millions of years. Finally, fact number 10. Let's challenge another clean boundary. Most intuitively place all of Europe in the northern hemisphere. Yet this simplifies geopolitical realities. Certain territories, extensions of European nations, stretch far south of the equator. Consider parts of France's overseas islands, like Mayotte or Réunion. These are politically and culturally European, yet geographically rooted in the southern hemisphere, blurring the lines of our neatly defined world. From mountains to rivers, deserts to continents, much of our foundational geographical knowledge is a simplification and often incorrect. Maps can lie, measurements can and will change. Earth is not static, but vibrant and ever-evolving. This journey through debunked truths should leave you with wonder and a healthy dose of skepticism. The world is a far more complex, dynamic, and surprising place than any textbook could capture or teach. If this deep dive into Earth's hidden realities has ignited your curiosity, then do please subscribe to enjoy your next adventure around the globe with Is. The Earth is ready to reveal its deepest secrets. Are you ready to listen?